Okay, here we go. Threading with the lathe for the amateur lathe operator slash ham radio operator. First things first, this is the control that runs the lathe. Push the red button and you notice the chuck will turn forward. That's the direction you'll be going when you thread. When you let go of the button, you notice it stops, not instantly. And then the yellow button is reverse, which we have to use to back off of the threads. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we've got our piece of stock marked with how far we're going to thread it. We're going to put this in the lathe chuck. You use the key to tighten it up. You don't need to get crazy tight. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Always hang the chuck up before you go to use it. The other part of our tooling is this tap and die tailstock tool, which we have a 3/8 fine thread die mounted in. This will just slide over this metal rod. We're going to move this down so about an inch. When you run this, you're going to hold the handle vertically. When you're threading, it's going to try and push against you. When you're backing up, there will be light pressure going the other way. Set this down gently. A little bit of oil. Just zoom in here so you get a good view. And away we go. We start the lathe. Holding this, we bring it up against it. It will self-center. You'll see the metal curls coming out. There's going to be a modest amount of force. Anybody will be able to hold it. That's not a problem. When we're about 1/8 of an inch away from the black mark, we're going to let go of the button. You'll notice it turns about 2 turns and then stops near the mark. We use the yellow button to back up. Very light pressure this time. And it threads itself off of the part. When the tool drops off of the part, you can just let go. This sets down. There's convenient little magnets. Then we're going to slide this out of the way. These will be pulled out with a pair of pliers. I'm going to use my fingers because I forgot to get them. These are really sharp. And then blow through the inside there, and it's all ready for the next person.